Well guys, here it is, the final of my Phoenix Zoo tour. Part 6 is we're going over the bears and stuff. So let's do that. What's in here? Fish? Fish of the Amazon River. Please do not pet, attempt to pet, or throw items into the pond. Thank you.
I don't think there's any fish.
There's parrots.
A parrot.
A parrot.
Look if you go around the other side.
There's no fish, really? Squawk to you too, buddy. I probably should have said ear rape warning before this video, but whatever. Oh, there's a golden lion.
Oh, look,
There's monkeys.
Oh, he just ran in the house.
Why was that? Everyone's leaving you. Everyone's all leaving there.
Here comes, oh, and there's one to the left, a golden colored one.
Oh, there's the golden monkey.
Yeah. Is that the gibbons?
There's the monkey right there. I know, right?
There's a bigger one right there.
There's a monkey over there.
And there's actually
in the
two
house.
over there. A golden one that just got up, and then the brown one over there.
Oh wow, right there, yeah.
Yeah.
Spider monkey. It's a spider monkey. It's a scarlet macaw. I probably would have hurt my neck if I kept doing that. Like, jeez. That's a scarlet macaw right there, YouTube. Also, it's very loud. Fun fact, scarlet macaw is very, very loud. And there's some monkeys over there. I'm gonna walk this way. Yeah, if I had to live here, oh gosh. I would not live here, like, no, sorry. Oh wow, it's another ancient temple looking place. Nesting and resting. This looks like a fun rock. I want to bite a popcorn. Don't tie my hand up, Trisha. Panda? Where?
He's got his butt to you.
Oh, he does?
Right there. Black thing.
Black thing? That's racist, Trisha. Racism against bears.
They don't hibernate in here. Huh.
Oh, I see it. It's way over there. I'm gonna walk this way.
Yeah, there's a beach here.
They're not by the waterfall.
Let's go this way. I hear a waterfall. It sounds like something exciting is going on over there. Could be wrong, but maybe. Just maybe. Something exciting's going on. Monkey in a bear suit. Sounds like it'd be pretty fun. See if there's anything over here. It doesn't look like it. Nothing. There's no monkey in a bear suit. Dang it. Oh wait, is that... What's that over there? It's another burb. It's the, hawk-headed parrot. That's cool. Alright guys, now we know what a hawk-headed parrot looks like. There's one right there too. Alright, well I'm gonna catch up with my group real quick and see what else they found. I'm gonna jog. Here. See if we can find it. Where's the barn owl at? I feel like if I go right up there, it's gonna like launch at me. Like I'm gonna look in the window and it's gonna go, ah! I'm gonna go, oh god dang it. I think I see it though. That's the barn owl, guys. That's the barn owl. That's pretty cool though. Alright, so that's the barn owl. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, can we see the bear from there?
That's scary.
Hold up, I want to see what this
How
is.
scary is it?
Oh, that's a... Pink brain tarantula. So that's a tarantula, guys. That's a tarantula. What is it? Giant red-legged tarantula. Where's the tarantula at? I don't know where this one is. Brown bark scorpion. Where is it?
Cockroach.
Cockroaches.
A giant.
No, I don't want to see that.
Giant tropical cockroach.
Cockroach in there.
Ew, that's disgusting, you guys. Brown bark scorpion. I want to find the scorpion. It might look cool.
Yeah.
Oh, tarantula.
We got some cockroaches over here.
You got some cockroaches
Really?
over there.
Where's the scorpion at? I want to find it. I don't see it, do you?
Let me see. They're usually orange looking. Did you see the cockroach?
I did, yeah.
Oh my god, there's tarantulas everywhere. White need, look, you can see
White
the little
need
white
tarantula.
It's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's right there.
He's got, like, little
Ooh,
white on his knees.
Oh, it's
right
in the
there,
corner.
yeah.
The scorpion's in the corner.
It is?
Yeah, it's in this corner. You can see its little hands.
I'm gonna see if I can't find it.
Oh, I don't know.
I want to see a scorpion.
The other tarantula.
Where's a scorpion at? My camera wants to see a scorpion, yo.
Look at the cockroach.
Probably pretty,
Said it was in this corner.
Yeah, I couldn't see it.
I can sort of see it, but my camera probably can't.
you can see that one real good.
Yeah, it's a big tarantula.
Okay.
Alright then, thank you guys for watching the final part 6. I hope you enjoyed the trip so far. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.